What's good, y'all? It's your boy Splash, and I'm back again with another video. Hey, look, I want to say thank you to everybody for the 500 plus subscribers that I got now. I'm super hyped. I'm hyped about this pickup. I'm hyped that I was able to get the early notification from Nike. That's never happened to me before, where I could reserve a shoe and I could actually get it early. And it came here. I'm surprised because 9 times out of 10, when Nike sends you that reserve, the Nike app sends you, hey, you can reserve this shoe, it's some trash. It's some garbage. It's nothing dope. It's never been anything dope, but this is a shoe that I wanted from day one, ever since I saw LeBron win that championship. As you can see, I'm rocking that Los Angeles, you know what I'm saying, LA Dodgers, Los Angeles Lakers. Lakers about to run it back to back, but y'all didn't come here for all that. Let's get to the kicks. Let's go.
It's your boy Splash, Cannonball, I'm drippy.
I actually got this, I want to say a week ago. I got the early notification from Sneakers, not from Sneakers, from the Nike app, and I copped. And it came in within like a couple days. I believe this shoe actually drops on the 12th, but let's go ahead and open it up. I'm sure you've already seen the thumbnail. Let's get it. Now, this box, I've never really seen this box like this before. Let me cover up my information real quick. But, so, yeah. This isn't the typical Nike box. Granted, it still has Nike on it, but there's no Nike tape. There's no tape, actually, whatsoever. I actually have a pull tab. I don't know if that's just a Nike Germany thing. Now, I will say this. I don't know if this has any reason why I got this reservation. And I was able to cop this so easily. Oh, this is dope. So, I don't know what that's for, but. Oh, this is dope, man. So maybe LeBron just come in like this. Or maybe this is just like a Nike Germany thing. So what I'll say this. I do have the Nike Run Club app. And that's connected to your Nike account. It's connected to your sneakers. I went ahead and put my picture up there. So maybe the fact that I put a picture up there and they know maybe that it's a real human being and it's not a bot, maybe they sent me, you know, the little notification. But yeah, that probably has nothing to do with it. I'm just guessing. But here we have the LeBron 18. It says militant / Tiente Melon / Tiente Melon. All right. As you can see, I copped a size 14. I hope this fits. My LeBron 17s are in size 14. You see, I got both 2Ks. I didn't have those before, and I never did a review on them. But yeah, you know, I got the 2K joints. I got a couple other, you know what I'm saying, the Martin joints over here. Oh yeah, the Kobe player only question joints up there. So I didn't even need this knife. All right, still haven't seen it yet. I'm excited, man, because LeBron won a championship in these. I knew as soon as I saw him win that I need those shoes. I need those shoes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There go. What? Ooh, boy, this is clean. Hold up. Hold on. I think I got the right size too, man, because these look like they're a pretty good size. They look like they're size 15. As y'all know, as some of you know, some of you don't know, I wear size 14, 15. 15 in some sneakers, 14 in most. But yeah, this is my first pair. And to be honest, probably my only pair of LeBron 18s I'm going to cop, man. I'm really slowing down. If I wouldn't have got the early notification on this, I mean, I still would have tried to cop. I don't know if this is going to sell out or not, but I definitely would have tried to cop upon release on the 12th of December. But before we get into the shoe, there's some paper in there. It's got some, yeah, go. It's got some stuff on it. Oh, so the official name of these, and this makes absolute sense right here, is the LeBron 18 Sisterhood. So let me tell you, I was super worried when I found out the name was Sisterhood, because I was thinking that it might be a women's exclusive. I was like, LeBron, man, don't do that to me, dog. You know I'm a fan. Well, you don't know. But I'm a huge Lakers fan. And as soon as you came to the Lakers, I was a fan. Even when the wife was like, nah, I ain't really a fan like that unless you win a ring. And wife said that. Wifey said that. Now that you won a ring, now she on board. But I was a fan since day one on the Lakers, that is. So I've been a Lakers fan for life. Y'all already know that. But here's the box. See that again? It's actually a really dope box. It's kind of sleek, man, and definitely different than any normal box. I wonder if like all the Lebron's are gonna come like this, or I guess all the 18s are probably gonna come like this. But yeah, nothing crazy. Put that off to the side. But bruh, these are crazy, man. These are crazy. So yeah, these are the LeBron Sisterhood. Show you guys. One really, really dope thing about this is these air bubbles that, to my knowledge, serve no purpose other than style. Like, what's the point of having air bubbles up here? But they look dope, right? At least they do to me. Now this colorway, man, this reminds me of my childhood, you know what I'm saying? Y'all remember ice cream truck come rolling around, and they got them orange creamsicles, you know what I'm saying? Or even during the summertime, a hot summer day, you get one of them orange sodas. Yeah. Yeah, or even orange sherbet, man. Like this shoe, granted it's December right now, but this shoe is just mad springtime and summertime vibes, man. Like just straight up, man. The air bubbles up top. This man, this material, it's actually a lot firmer than, it's reminding me of the material on here. But this, it's a lot softer, as you can see. I feel like this is gonna have way more support. Actually, I know it's gonna have way more support, man. Just off of the touch alone, it's a lot more firm, But surprisingly, man, this shoe is super, super light in hand. That's dope. I didn't even notice. You can see the lion in there, and then you can see it very clearly on the other side. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Each shoe is basically the same. No real differences here. I hate when I do reviews and I got the shoestrings just dangling out. So I'm gonna put this shoe down, and I never notice it. This is the first time I've ever noticed it when I'm actually in the middle of a review. I never notice it. I normally always catch it when I'm editing. I was like, damn it, the damn laces is all out. But anyway, so as you see, this giant air bubble down here, exposed, super dope. We got a Nike sign, and it's actually textured. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Then we got LeBron's King James symbol back there, as well as, oh, it actually says something. From the city of Akron, Ohio. That's hard. You guys see that right there? From the city of Akron, Ohio. That's really dope. That's really, really cool. There's actually, man, for a shoe that has all one color, man, there's actually some really sick details. Even on that logo on the back, man, it's textured. Then let's see. Each side, for the most part, looks exactly the same. And you have these basically, like, I'm just calling them support beams, right? That go up, down on either side. You do have a Nike swoosh down here. I already talked about the air bubbles. The design of the tongue is cool. The tongue is actually a little flimsy, but I don't think I really mind it, because if you feel the material on it, I know it probably looks like a plastic, and it looks like it may like be aggravating, like jabbing into your foot. But it's really, really soft on this side here. They actually put some good material on the back end there, if you can see that. Go ahead and take out the shoe tree. Oh man, it's got some more Sisterhood vibes. I really hate taking out I really hate taking this out, because it's never the same once you take this out. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys anyway, even though I don't like doing that. But I might actually hoop in these. I mean, who am I kidding? I'm not hooping in these, man. LeBron won his first championship with the Lakers in these. This is a historic shoe to me, and I had to have this to add to my collection of LeBrons just because of the history alone. The history alone. I normally get a few LeBrons every year. I normally wait for a colorway that just is really, really dope to me. As you can see, I have quite a bit, but I'm not here to talk about those. Let's look at the bottom real quick. I don't know what kind of traction system they call this, but I mean, shoot, it looked crazy, man. I wonder if this actually has crazy grip to it. I'm not entirely sure. But other than that, I think I captured the majority of the shoe. This is just a really dope shoe. I have a piece of history in my hands. I still haven't received all of my Laker gear, and I got some Kobe. I have some RIP. I have some LeBron posters on the way, straight from that famous dunk that he did. I'll probably show a clip of it right now.
Bradley ahead of the field with James on the top with the run first. Foxy takes it away. There goes Kobe on the break. In the short, reverse, two hands, slam dunk. Maybe that'll wake him up.
His signature is down there on that bottom bubble right there. It's been 10 years since we won a championship. And to give you guys, I know most people have clicked off by now, they saw the shoe, it's over with, but I'm gonna give y'all something. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a piece of me. The reason why, part of the reason why I love the Lakers so much, for one, my mom, hugest Lakers fan. My mom's from Compton, loves the Lakers. So I grew up with it, right? The second part, how I actually met my wife was through the Lakers. We hadn't been dating or anything like that, haven't even really hung out yet. And the first time was when we were stationed in Alaska, and we met up, us and a group of people actually, met up to go watch the 2010 NBA Finals, right? And the Lakers won, right? Kobe and the squad took it to Game 7. They won Game 7, and me and her are cheering for the same team. So that is a huge part of the beginning of our marriage. So the fact that they won again 10 years later is crazy. It kind of like brings back like some of those memories of us watching in the enlisted club, you know, the 2010 NBA Finals. And then even more so with Kobe, the passing of Kobe Bryant, like this year has been nuts. COVID has been nuts. So out of all the negative, people are losing family members. We've lost some celebrities and some people that we looked up to, whether it's from the NBA or Chadwick Boseman. So many people, man, I can't name them all, that watching the Lakers win that championship meant everything. Like, and what's nuts is out here, if you don't know, I'm in Germany. Games, when they start in the States, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, it's daggum 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning here. So I was literally waking up before I had to go to work to watch these games. So that it means even more to me. So I want to say thank you to LeBron. Thank you to AD. Thank you for the whole squad. Rondo, Dwight Howard, JaVale McGee, KCP, the White Mamba, Caruso. Dang, who am I missing? Kyle Kuzma, Danny Green. Goodness, I know I'm probably missing Quinn Cook. I'm probably missing a bunch of y'all. But anyway, look, I want to say thank you to the Lakers organization. Thank you to Nike for allowing me to get early access to this shoe. And thank you to all the subscribers, man, for giving me 500 plus subs. I love y'all. Hope you guys are being blessed, and hope you are being safe during these COVID times. I'll catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy Splash. I'm out.